Hello, I would like to buy a new bulldozer. Can you help me?
Hello, my name is Ethan. I'm seller for Caterpillar. Yes, I can help you.
What is your latest model?
Oh, our latest model is the Caterpillar G11 Congelos.
I want something tough. What is the engine power?
This engine powers is 624 horsepower.
What is the capacity of the fuel tank?
The capacity of the fuel tank is 1,800 liters.
What is its working weight?
The working rate is a little bit of 104 tons.
Does it have multiple speeds?
Yes, the multiple speed include 3 speeds in forward and 3 speed in reverse.
Can you give me the capacity of the universal blade?
Yes, the capacity of a universal blade is 34.4 meter cube.
How many rollers are there on each side?
Yes, they are 8 rollers per side.
How many shoes on each tracks?
They are 41 shoes per side.